Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 4, Organizational Safety. In this lecture, I am going to discuss Introduction to Safety Management System, Safety Management System, okay, OS, HAS, okay, 1800, 18001, and also OS, OHS, SAH, SAS, 18001 model, okay. So introduction to safety management system, okay, SMS we can call it as. Safety management system is a systematic approach to managing the safety, including the necessary organizational structure, accountabilities, policies and procedures, okay. And also it is used to refer comprehensive business management system designed to manage occupational safety and health elements in the workplaces, okay. And also it is used to maintain the what occupational safety and health elements in the workplaces. This system provides systematic way to identify hazardous and control risk while maintaining the assurance that these risk controls are effective only, okay. And also SMS can be defined as it is a business like a method for a safety, and also it is a systematic, explicit or a comprehensive process for managing the safety risk. And also in all the management systems, safety management system provides for a goal setting, planning and measuring the performance. And also safety management system is woven into a fabric of an organization, okay. And also it is a become a part of a culture only, okay. And also it is like a systematic, explicit and a comprehensive process of managing the safety risk only, okay. So in a safety management system, OHSAS 18001, okay, it is a occupational health and safety assessment series, okay. That is 8 OHSAS, okay, 18001 series, okay. So for the health and safety management system, it is intended to help organizations to control or occupational health and safety risk, okay. And also it was developed to be compatible with the IS 19001 quality and 14001 ISO environmental management system standards in order to facilitate the integration of the quality, environmental and occupational health and safety management systems by the organizations, okay. The OHSAS specification gives the requirement for occupational health and safety, okay. That OH and S management system to enable an organization to control its OH and S risk and to improve the performance, okay. And it does not require, does not okay, it does not require or does not states the OH and S performance means occupational health and safety performance criteria, okay. And also it gives the specifications for design of management systems, okay. And also it provides, okay, occupational health and safety management system, okay. So there will be a model of the OHSAS, okay. So occupational health and safety assessment series model, okay. So it promotes the safety and healthy working environment by providing a framework that allows your organization to be consistently identify and control its health and safety risk, reduces the potential for accidents, legislative or a compliance and improve overall performances, okay. It consists of a continual improvement in OHS, okay. And also policy objectives program that to be monitored, okay. And also legal and other requirements, assess risk will be there, tolerable or intolerable, eliminate risk will be there, control measures, residual risk, okay. Internal audit to be done for the corrective and preventive actions, okay. And also only the objective of this OAH SAS 18001 model is to provide the healthy, safe and healthy working environment by providing the what some framework in order to provide the safety, okay. So next there will be a benefits of OHSAS. Benefits means there will be a some some benefits, some advantages of that model, okay. So potential reduction in the number of the health, and also protect, okay, and also reduction in the downtime associated with the cost. There is a timing should be fixed, and okay, in order to check make the person healthy or employee healthy. Demonstration of the legal or regulatory compliances, and also demonstration of the stakeholders of your commitment to health and safety. Demonstration of an innovative and forward thinking approaches. Increased access to new customers and business partners. Better management of health and safety risk, okay. And also potential reduced public and liability insurances, okay. So these are the benefits of OHSAS, okay. And also there will be some steps for certification of the OHSA will be there. So those are purchase the specifications, review support literatures, okay. And also arrange the training programs, seminars, okay, review consultancy options, like that it will be there, okay. So in this session we have discussed introduction about safety management system, how the systems will be system management system, okay, that is safety management system. So OAS HAS 18001 occupational health and safety assessment series, okay, that is 18001 model. And also benefits of that occupational health safety assessment series, okay, 18001, okay, that one we have discussed, okay. Thank you.